Everyone. Today we will do MCQs of chapter Structural Organization in Animals. Question number 1. Simple squamous epithelium is found in A. Ducts of glands, B. Lining of stomach, C. Walls of blood vessels, D. All of these. Simple squamous epithelium is found in walls of blood vessels and air sacs of lungs. Lining of stomach is made up of simple columnar epithelium and ducts of gland are made up of simple cuboidal epithelium. So answer is C, walls of blood vessels. Next question. Which epithelium is present in bronchioles and fallopian tubes? A. Simple squamous epithelium, B. Cuboidal epithelium, C. Columnar epithelium, D. Ciliated epithelium. Bronchioles and fallopian tubes are made up of ciliated epithelium. Answer is D. Next question. Which of the following statement is wrong with respect to epithelium? A. They are avascular. This is correct. B. Nerve supply is not present. This is wrong. Nerve supply is present in epithelium. C. Regeneration ability is present. This is correct statement. So wrong statement is B. Nerve supply is present. Next question. Which of the following junction facilitates the cell to communicate with each other? A. Gap junction, B. Tight junction, C. Adhering junction, D. Both A and B. So the junction which facilitates the cells to communicate with each other is gap junction. Tight junction helps to stop substances from leaking across tissue. Adhering junction performs cementing to keep the neighboring cells together. So answer is A, gap junction. Next, most abundant tissue is A. Epithelial tissue, B. Connective tissue, C. Muscular tissue, D. Neural tissue. So most abundant tissue is B. Connective tissue. Next question. Which connective tissue is specialized to store fats? A. Areolar tissue, B. Adipose tissue, C. Dense regular tissue, D. Dense irregular tissue. Connective tissue which is specialized to store fats is B. Adipose tissue. Next, which of the following is correct statement? A. Intercellular material of cartilage is solid and non-pliable. This is wrong statement. Intercellular material of cartilage is solid and pliable. B. Osteocytes are present in the spaces called lacunae. It is correct. C. Connective tissues are classified into two types, that are loose and dense connective tissue. This is wrong statement. Connective tissue are classified into three types, that are loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. So correct statement is B. Osteocytes are present in spaces called lacunae. Next question. The epithelium shown in the given diagram is found in. So the given diagram is of ciliated epithelium. And ciliated epithelium is found in fallopian tube and bronchioles. So answer is 3, fallopian tube. Next question. Identify the following simple epithelial tissue. Diagram A is of simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. Diagram B is of cuboidal epithelium. Diagram C is of simple columnar epithelium. And last diagram D is of ciliated columnar epithelium. So answer is 2. Next question. Observe the following figures. Figure A and B indicate glands while figure C indicates specific type of tissue. Identify these figures. So figure A is unicellular gland, figure B is multicellular gland, and figure C is of compound epithelium. Unicellular gland is found in goblet cells of gut, and multicellular gland are found in salivary gland. Multicellular glands are salivary gland, and compound epithelium is epithelium in which more than one layer of cells is present. So answer is 1. So we are done with questions of structural organization in animals. Thanks for watching.